Now, this is the Schematic World Electrical Engineering Toolkit software, which give you a lot of features, basically built for the library managers for our Proteus, and there are the bundle of different libraries up to the 69 right now, and I try to be make more numbers up by adding a more and more libraries. Okay. And these libraries, it's not just library manager for the ordinary one where you need to be download and go into the library folder manually and install it. So what is the biggest advantage of that software? They auto detect the library folder. Right now they detect the Proteus library path on the C of this location, and if you click on this read detect button, then you see they are detecting the library, and they say that okay, they have it. After that, if they don't, it's like they are the second option. If they don't detect it, then simply click on the change button and find out any kind of other location where you think your library is. Or it's not like they you just be choose any folder. I choose this document and fits in folder and click on select folder, and now we say okay, you can change the library folder from this to this, delete the library file from the previous folder, you can do it, and just change the location. If I said just change the location, then they change the location, but they say this folder does not look like typical Proteus library because there is the algorithm in the backend which detected what the library files, mostly the basic libraries files of a Proteus are. So on that basis, they detected okay, this is not the library folder. So again, I click on reset to auto detect, and they automatically detected. And now this is the library file folder. Now, in that folder, only this LiPo battery library for the Proteus is installed. And if I say that okay, I want to be install this STM32 blue pill, so I click on download. After downloading, they automatically install. Now they are installed, and I show you in the Proteus they are installed or not. I run the Proteus here. This is the Proteus A demonstration. I directly go into the schematic page, go into the pick devices, and search the STM32. Now you see STM32 blue pill. They are installed automatically. Okay, wait. It is installed. I remove it. I go there. I click on the remove button. They are removed. Okay, if they are removed, I need to be close it, because adding and removing the library, you need to be shut down your Proteus one time. Again, run the Proteus, and I show you it's removed or not. Now you see I am in the pick device. I write down the STM32, but not any kind of that library. So in that way, you can manage the Proteus libraries using that software, which is Schematic World. And from where you can download? That's the very interesting question. You go into your microstore. Okay, search with the Schematic World simply. I show you how you can do it. So it is the home page. That's the home page. Write down the Schematic World in the search bar and simply press enter. Now that's the Schematic World there. Open it. And what is the benefit of downloading from the microstore? Because it next time you see the updates, so right now there's the update exists, so I just we click on this one, then automatically update is happen. And downloading is also very easy. After downloading, you can install it. It's exactly like the Play Store and iOS store. Okay, so I scroll down. I also have the option of the rating. So if you like that software, definitely rate down here. And you see this that's my website. So I go into this Schematic World website. Now that's my Schematic World website. There are a lot of things, but I also added this Proteus Library Manager landing page. When you click on it, then that landing page is appear. So right now it's only available on Windows, but in future I added it for the Linux and also for Mac. So there are the features which they are the 100% electrical tools I show you. Library organization, instant search, you can do lightweight app, cloud organization, import and export, and you can save by design. Okay. And now there are the two options to download. First is direct download through my server. You can do it. So you need to tick mark on privacy, simplicity, and disclaimer, and then click on this download installer. So the Proteus installer is start to be download, and it takes some time, and after that you can install. Installation is very easy. I also show you into the next part of the video. Into the micro store. So this is a micro store. Just click on it and get in micro store. So micro store web page is open. This is the schematic world. You can click on download. So you can also directly download it from here, or you go into the web store. And also I show you this is the Microsoft store. Okay, so now we move to the other features which are currently there, and I also want to just test me any other feature as a student, especially electrical engineer students. You want to be more features and tool. If you think okay, it's help in your studies, so I try to be work on it. If it's helpful for you, please comment down any kind of tool you want, and I add it in there. Okay, now this is the community driven library source. Okay, how the community driven community also submitted the libraries. So you click on the submit library, put the library name, you select the categories from here. Okay, and you describe your library. After that, you need to be Google Drive download link. The methods are mentioned there how you can access it. Okay, go into the Google Drive and upload the zip file of library if you make it, or if you have library from other source, then you need to be permission of it, but you need a zip file. Okay, after that you go into Google Drive and paste it here, and right click on it, share button, and then set generic access to anyone with the link. Okay, and then copy that link and paste it here. Okay, then automatically link is generated, the thumbnail image URL here. Okay, and then submit the library, and you can see the library here, and also manage in the future for yourself, and other people also manage it. There are the different filters also. This is the display devices, embedded general components, microcontrollers, motor drivers, sensors. Okay, and there are the filter of install. Okay, if you click on this install only, then go into the all. So you see this is the install only libraries right now. If I untick, then I see the others. Okay, I click on this one, heartbeat sensor library, click on install only. Now you see the heartbeat is also added into the install only. So there are the 100 tools right now, and in the future I also added. This is the basic electrical tool AC circuit calculators. Okay, so AC circuit calculators, like you say that power triangular calculator is there. So you open it here. This is the quick fill. Just for understanding, you can choose the different kind of units from here. The power. Okay, and then you simply click on calculate. So this is the circuit graph, and this is the value answer of this one. So you can see the complex power calculation, phase angle calculation. So these are all the AC related calculation. Digital electronics related calculators also there, binary to decimal and frequency converters and flip-flop calculators. Okay, and there are also electromagnetic PCB and electronic design tools, and there's the practical electrical tools and power engineering tools and semiconductor electronics tools. So there are the different tools and number of tools in that categories. I try to be add a more and more tools in a future, but if you want any kind of specific tool, then comment down in this video. And last feature is only the video related, so please subscribe my channel. That's the request. It's motivate me to make a more and more features in that software, and also making a more helpful videos. So you can subscribe it and you can see the latest videos. Okay, just click on it, and then you need to go outside the YouTube, because outside the YouTube is banned right now on my channel. So you need to be click on this watch on YouTube, and you can easily watch it. I hope so you like this video. Please subscribe this channel and share with your friends. It's very helpful tool for your friend to be managing the Proteus library. So for taking the updates very quickly about that software and also my other videos, so press the bell icon. See you the next time. Bye bye.